To create custom theme on the Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and select personalize, go to the themes and then click on this plus button to open a themes creation tool. Now you'll be able to name your theme. So make sure to add a name. You can name it however you like. Then when it's ready, we can click on the wallpaper section right here and then change to different wallpaper for our screens. So we're gonna go for something like this, let's say. Then we can go to font and change to different font if you want it. There's 3 options for it. Then there's the colors for our UI. You can change the colors like that. Then there's the icon shapes that you can also switch between 3 or even more options right here. Make sure to save the option and then after a moment our theme will be created and we can just select it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.